Just let her know she's got to wait.
No, I need.
You got to wait.
On December 3rd, 2024, officers responded to Universal's Adventure Hotel after an intoxicated Portuguese-speaking guest allegedly attempted to grab a knife and caused a lobby disturbance. To understand why prosecutors later dropped all charges, we must examine the constitutional weakness at the heart of this arrest.
Is intoxicated.
Okay.
Speaks only Portuguese, and apparently went into my back of the house and tried to take a knife from my dress. So we'd like to discuss.
Okay. By chance, do we have any Portuguese speakers?
I don't.
Ei, banho! No banho! É porque não faz nada certo, né?
You got ID? License? License here? ID? Yeah, go to now. I'm 10-12 with her. She's cooperative right now, being calm. I just need somebody to maybe translate for Portuguese.
Yeah, but look, I'm good.
Sit down. Sit down. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Anybody who speaks
Stop.
Portuguese, trying to find somebody.
Stop.
All right,
Sit down.
And you talk
I'm the police. Sit down. Sit down. Stop.
Again.
Stop.
Again.
Stop.
And I put it and you talk for me.
You're gonna sit down.
All right.
Sit down. Stop.
And I talk.
You're gonna sit down and wait. You're gonna sit down and you're gonna wait. You're gonna sit.
I like it too.
Sit down and wait.
Aí você fala, sit down. I sit down. But no here.
Sit. Sit down and wait. You understand what I'm telling you? Yes or no? Huh? I'm not playing your game today. Do you understand me?
I don't speak English.
Well, you speak this, don't you? Put your hands behind your back. Do you understand that?
For who?
I'm not playing your game today. Get up. Up.
For who?
You, get up. Up.
It's for who,
I'll
baby?
be right back. We'll figure it out outside.
For who? It's for who?
I got one female to can. Sit.
And now you go start for me. Don't need it.
Hey, Curtis, you have somebody that could just translate for me? We gotta get somebody. Yeah, we need a translator.
Huh?
We need a translator because she's not.
She's drunk as hell.
Yeah, sit over there. But I can't communicate with her.
minute. Is she the girl who got
What?
Ele tá com tempo.
But she been trespassed here before? Do you guys got a trespass on her at all?
Yeah, let me go find her because I wrote a report on her. She claims she got 66 and never stayed behind her.
Okay.
Please, take my hand. Oh,
That good 2-9. We can work this off our primary west cancel channel.
I need it here.
You need to stay. You need to stay right here. And
All right,
stop.
então take my pants. Right.
You need to stay
All
right here
my
and
pants.
stop. You know what? Come on.
Exactly.
Hang on. You need to wait.
For my pants.
What's that? All right.
Please.
It hurts?
She can wait.
Take
Her pants.
Please.
Hold on, I got her pants.
I just.
So what's going on with her?
No, I took a report for her for being 66 maybe like a month or two ago. I'm trying to look for her name. It's Lumen something.
Was she trespassed from here?
No, this was over in by Costco
Okay.
or Addison. There we go. Better? No, wait. Here. I want your front side.
I need somebody to translate.
They're trying to
What
get
we're saying.
they're trying to get somebody from Cabana Bay that might be able to translate as a staff member.
Perfect. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, she was drunk last time. She got 66 and didn't want to say that.
I need you for help. For
Trying to figure it out.
Lucky.
Here we know they speak, so.
Portuguese is on. Calvis, but he's gone.
Or Spanish.
Oiga,
Ask her her name.
deja que él te diga lo que te
No,
tiene que
no,
decir.
no. Não habla alto
Ok,
comigo.
pues habla conmigo.
Eu sei que o que ela fala, não habla alto comigo.
Ok. ¿Por qué usted tomó tanto?
Como?
Estás bien tomada. Porque cuando él te dijo que te sentara, no te sentaste.
Porque não habla, não manda em mim e não tô manejando, não tô fazendo nada,
Sí,
nada contra a lei.
pero estás
Mira,
intoxicada.
ok, tô intoxicada, pero o que hablas contra a lei? Não tô manejando, tô aqui acerca de minha casa.
Sí, pero tú tienes que entender, tú no estás en Brasil. Tú estás en los Estados Unidos, tú no puedes andar por ahí embriagada.
Agora
downtown.
hablas para o porquê?
Ellos no hablan español, yo soy el que hablo español. What do you want me to ask you, sir?
What's her name?
¿Cuál es tu nombre?
Luana.
¿Cómo?
Luana.
Luana. Yeah.
Okay, what's her date of birth?
¿Cuál es tu día de nacimiento?
Com 9,
¿Qué año?
9-3.
93.
93.
93,
Ele não é burro.
There's no way she's born in 93.
¿Tú estás segura que tú naciste en el 93?
E eu sou louca, de certo.
Pues eso fue lo que tú dijiste, 93.
Não, eu só sou feia. Mas é 9-3.
She's saying that's the year,
Can you,
93.
Doug, hold her over here so I can look her up?
Hey, Gus, can you get her 1014?
Baby, I need the bathroom. Eu preciso ir no banheiro.
You got her name?
Hey, work on that.
Okay.
I need bathroom.
Whatever you
You
need.
gotta wait. You're not gonna pee.
Yes, William. Eu preciso muito ir no banheiro. Ah, eu lembro do teu nome. Eu preciso ir no banheiro. Eu preciso ir no banheiro, senão eu vou fazer na calça, de verdade. Eu tô com dor de barriga. Eu preciso ir no banheiro agora.
Hey, anything I'm asking her, she's saying that she needs to go to the bathroom, otherwise she's gonna shit her pants.
I mean,
Please,
when she's under right now, she's detained until we know who she is.
Oh. Did Cherie may have her
Sherry said she got the 1014.
Okay, all right. Hey, talk to him for a minute. Tell her she's gotta wait.
Just let her know she's got to wait.
No, I need
You got to wait.
Ok, você tem
Ai,
que
nada.
esperar um pouco, não vai ser assim, você vai ter que esperar dessa vez.
Ah, então eu vou fazer na calça. Eu não tô brincando.
Uai, você vai ter que segurar, se você não conseguir segurar como um adulto segura.
Ah, bebê, eu tô falando porque eu tô segurando tem muito tempo. Ei, eles são tão...
Stop moving.
Ah, vai tomar
Or
no
you're going to
cu,
go
vai
in the
tomar no
car
cu, vai
and
tomar
I'm
no
going to
cu.
shut the door.
Vai tomar no cu, eu preciso
Do you
no
let her know
banheiro.
that?
Vai tomar no cu, eu preciso no banheiro. Eu não tô brincando. Tipo assim, eu só preciso ir no banheiro de verdade.
Cody, what do you want her to do?
I want her to stop moving around so I don't have to put my hands on her.
Eu preciso,
put her in
eu
the back of the
preciso ir no
car.
banheiro, eu preciso ir no banheiro.
Okay. All right. Let her know that she's going to be trespassed from here and that she's going to have to leave the property immediately.
Florida Statutes 877.03 criminalizes conduct that corrupts public morals or outrages public decency. This vague language creates First Amendment problems. In Gooding versus Wilson, the Supreme Court struck down overly broad disorderly conduct laws requiring narrow tailoring to fighting words or imminent lawless action. Drunk behavior in a hotel lobby arguably fails this constitutional test, explaining the prosecutor's ultimate decision despite the officer's probable cause. The arrest itself was legally sound under Fourth Amendment standards. The officer had probable cause from the hotel complaint, observed intoxication, and witnessed non-compliance. However, a complete language barrier complicated everything. The subject spoke only Portuguese, raising due process questions about commands she couldn't understand. While no absolute right to interpreters exists during non-custodial encounters, the officer's repeated requests for translation preserved constitutional validity. A critical tactical issue emerged with bathroom requests. Under Graham versus Connor, force must be proportional to the offense severity. The officer's dismissive response, "Oh well, too bad," was legal but created unnecessary risks. A misdemeanor doesn't justify ignoring basic accommodation when feasible. More importantly, a better solution existed. The hotel could have issued a trespass warning under Section 810.08, banning her without criminal prosecution. This civil remedy would have achieved the same goal, while avoiding the constitutional vulnerabilities that ultimately doomed the criminal case.
Olha, você está sendo você não vai poder mais voltar nesse hotel. Ele está fazendo.
They just want to trespass.
Yeah, but she's already argued with me.
Okay.
And I had to take her to the ground.
Okay.
And she's drunk. We can't. And she's driving a scooter.
Sim, aham.
So I'm just gonna take her and we'll be done with it.
Let him know.
All right, hey Gus.
É o quê?
Hey Gus.
Ele tá
Hey,
falando.
it's Falvo. Just, I'm taking her to jail. Tell her that she's going to jail for disorderly conduct, for being drunk in public, going behind the kitchen trying to grab a knife, and then resisting me when I was telling her to sit down.
Okay. Alright. Você tá presa por disorderly conduct pela forma que você estava se conduzindo no hotel, certo? Por estar intoxicada e tentar entrar por trás do balcão para pegar objetos, facas e coisas.
You guys saw her go behind the kitchen?
Ele,
I wasn't present.
é o que ele fala. Ei, agora eu preciso de um banheiro.
What was that?
Okay, tell her to get in the vehicle before I have to put her in the vehicle.
Vai, Bruno.
Entra no carro, senão vai ser pior.
Então pode ser pior, porque eu preciso não fazer com na calça.
Hey, she's saying that she's gonna resist, she's not gonna get in the car.
Please,
Okay,
please.
give her one more, or you let her know I'm going to put her in the car.
Ok? Essa é a sua última chance. Se você não entrar no carro, ele vai ter que te forçar dentro do carro. E você pode ser que você se machuque.
Viu? Fala pra ele que ele não é idiota. Eu tô falando assim. E ele tá vendo, eu preciso ir no banheiro. Então ele me leva no banheiro.
Você entra no carro.
Ele me leva no banheiro. Fala pra ele me leva.
Você tá presa.
Foda-se.
Você não vai no banheiro aí no hotel.
Ele me leva no banheiro. Então fala o que eu tô falando. Senão eu faço aqui mesmo. Eu não tô.
Não vai te levar no banheiro, você pode fazer isso. Não vai te levar no banheiro, você vai ser presa.
Foda-se. Eu preciso. Não, eu preciso ir agora. Look, I need it better.
Hey, Gus.
It's for now.
Okay, get in the vehicle.
Okay. Oh, well, too bad. All right, so she's gonna get in.
I'm
done. So just tell her that I'm done. Tell her she's going to jail for what, and then that's it. Just tell her she's gonna go to jail. She's under arrest.
Vai. Você tá presa, você vai pra cadeia e você tem que entrar no carro.
E eu preciso de um banheiro agora.
All right, that's all.
Você não vai no banheiro, você vai ter que ir preso.
Fala que eu tô falando que tudo bem, eu vou, mas eu preciso de um banheiro agora, então eu vou
Tell her if she
colocar
goes
na
to the
casa.
bathroom in my car, there'll be another charge.
I'll go on the other side, pull her through.
She says she's gonna go to the bathroom in your car unless you take her to the bathroom.
Okay.
She's refusing to get in your car because she needs to go to the bathroom.
I'm here till midnight. So.
Yeah. She tucked herself with paper in her underwear, but that's fine. Let's go in here.
I would just get in the car.
Eu posso.
We'll get this. I'll get this for you.
It's my.
Yeah, that's yours. I'll bring it to you. Take a seat.
Lady, yeah, what's up? Uai, eu tô sendo presa. Porque eu não fiz nada. Ah, porque eu não.
Because you're drunk and you take the knife and boom with someone.
Ei,
That's for the knife,
Ei, não faz.
I know.
In evaluating the parties, the officer receives B for probable cause and minimal force, but selecting a constitutionally weak charge and showing frustration with language barriers lower his grade. The translator earns B+ for professional communication despite the conflict of being a hotel employee. The subject receives F for dangerous, disruptive conduct, regardless of drop charges. Hotel security gets B- for appropriate response, but pushing criminal prosecution when civil trespass would have been more effective. 4 critical lessons emerge. First, language barriers demand professional interpretation services, not frustrated repetition of English commands. Second, vague disorderly conduct statutes invite prosecutorial rejection. Officers should recognize these constitutional vulnerabilities before charging. Third, private property owners possess powerful civil remedies through trespass warnings that often work better than criminal prosecution for resolving disturbances. Finally, probable cause guarantees arrest authority but not prosecution success. prosecutors evaluate constitutional sufficiency beyond mere probable cause. This case demonstrates that effective law enforcement sometimes means choosing civil over criminal remedies when constitutional issues cloud the path forward. The prosecutor's decision vindicates First Amendment principles while acknowledging the conduct was genuinely problematic. Good policing requires understanding this distinction. Let us know what legal topics you'd like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel, Street Law, for more police interaction and courtroom content.